Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will guide you how to appeal disabled advertising account. Currently, Facebook is having many new updates, so the error status of advertising accounts, we noticed some unusual activity, so we've disabled your ad account. Verify your account to run ads again is happening a lot. That's also why Master the Meta made this video. Let's solve this problem together. Note, this may help you appeal any account disabling status. You can see my account is disabled and have to contact support, but I did that and still can't resolve. Please go to the comments or description to access the link to the extension. Next, download the extension. Next, go to your browser's extension manager. Once in the extension manager, enable developer mode. Next, open the file you just downloaded. Right-click on the extension and select WinRAR, then select Extract here. Wait a moment, a utility file and a file containing the text I have prepared for you will appear. Add extension to browser as in video. Now open the extension. You can see the extension is linked to Facebook Appeals category. Step 1. Enter your FB Ads account ID in the first box. Next, enter your FB ID or link in the second box. In step 3, enter your business portfolio ID. If the account does not belong to BM, enter Ad account belongs to individual. Note, if the account belongs to BM, you must be an administrator of BM. In step 4, paste the text I have prepared for you. Note, edit according to your information. Finally, please attach a screenshot of your account status and payment history. Note, select the green payment history section where the payment method is currently associated with the account. Click Send. Now, wait for about 2 to 3 hours. Then go back to the ad account. You will see your ad account has been restored. Note, if it fails, please try again after 1 hour. This process will be successful. During this process, please do not use other extensions to avoid conflicts. You can see my ad account has been successfully restored. Master the Meta's video tutorial on how to appeal disabled advertising account.